Gmail has so many features and little nuggets that it would come as no surprise if you didn't know a few of them. In this video, I'm going to share 5 little gems that I think you might like, so let's crack on. My first tip is if you want to quickly see details of communications with somebody, all you need to do is hover over their name and click on Open Detailed View. This will bring up a history of recent communications over on the right hand side, so you can see a list of emails, calendar events, and any files that are shared. You might actually find this is quicker than looking through your sent emails or using search. And if you want to see any more than the 3 that are here, click on More and it shows you a few more. You can also use the shortcuts across the top of the detailed view pane to send them a quick email, schedule an event with them, send them a message, or start a video call with them. And then to close it, just click on the cross in the top right corner. Okay, tip number 2 is if you want to quickly add a person to your contacts, all you need to do is simply hover over their name and click on the head and shoulders icon in the top right corner with a little plus symbol. Click on there to add them to contacts. The next time you hover over their name, you will see a pen icon in the top right corner instead, and this is to edit the contact. So if you click on there, it will open up the contact in your contacts page for you to edit as you wish. Moving on to my next little gem, which is your email signature. Now, you may already know how to create your signature, but did you know you can have as many different signatures as you like, and you can choose which one you want to use in each email? So to do this, click on the cogwheel in the top right corner and see all settings. Scroll down until you get to the signatures section. Click on Create New and give it a name so that you will easily recognize which signature it is, and click Create. Then just type out the details in this section here, and don't forget you can also insert images and hyperlinks into your signature if you want to. So I'm just going to quickly create a link to this. And then just repeat the process for each signature that you want to add. Underneath this, you have the option of choosing a default signature for new emails and one for when you reply or forward emails on. And then click Save Changes at the bottom once you've finished. So when you go to compose a new email, if you want to choose a different signature to the default one, click on the pen icon in the bottom toolbar here, and then just select which signature you want to use. Job done. So my next tip is if you want to quickly create a task from an email, simply right-click your mouse on the email and go to Add to Tasks. This opens the task pane on the right-hand side, and you'll see the task that you've just added, along with the actual link to the email itself. Click on the 3 dots to the right and you'll see a few more options enabling you to add a subtask, delete the task, move it to a different list, or create a new list. I have a beginner guide to Google Tasks which shows you step by step how to use it, so I'll include a link to that in the description below. If you're actually already in an email and want to add it to a task, just click on the Add to Task icon at the top here and it will do the same thing. And finally, to quickly see your task list, just click on the Tasks icon over on the right hand side of the screen. My final little gem is all about templates. Gmail allows you to create as many email templates as you like. The first thing is to check that you have templates enabled in your settings. So click on the cogwheel in the top right corner, go to See All Settings, then click on the Advanced tab across the top, and make sure that under the Templates section here, make sure that the Enabled button is ticked. And then just Save Changes at the bottom if you've made any changes. So to create a template, type out your email as you would do normally. So go to Compose an Email. Once it's typed out, if you have an email signature, then make sure you delete it from this email before you go any further. So I'm just going to delete my signature. Once you're happy with it, click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, click Templates, and you'll have the option of saving the draft as a template. Click on that and then click Save as New Template. The name will automatically take whatever you have in the subject line, so if you don't have anything in the subject line, then give it a name here now. Once you're happy with everything, just discard that email. So now to use the templates, go to Compose a New Email. You can do this by quickly pressing the keyboard shortcut C. Click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, click on Templates, and you'll now see the new template is listed under the Insert Template section. Click on it and it will appear in your email. You just need to go through and personalize it a bit more if you want to. Remember to check that the subject line is correct, as it will be the same as the template name. One thing to point out is that Gmail doesn't save attachments in templates. So if you want attachments in the email, then you'll need to manually add them to the email before sending it. To delete a template, click C to compose an email, click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, click on Templates, and choose delete template here, and then just choose the one that you want to delete. To edit an existing template, go to compose an email as you would do normally, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, click on templates, and choose the template that you want to edit by inserting it first. Edit the template as you want. Remember to remove the email signature before you carry on. Then click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, go to templates and save draft as template. And you'll have the option of either overwriting the existing template, or you can save it as a new one. Knowing how to use templates will save you so much time, so I really recommend using them. I'm going to link to my other Gmail tutorials here, so you can have a look through and see if there's any other little tips that you didn't know. So now it's over to you. Which tip did you like best? Did you already know all of them? Let me know in the comments if there's something specific in Gmail that you'd like me to cover, and I'll see what I can do. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.